Welcome to session. In this video, we shall learn how to draw the sectional view of an object from the given pictorial view. Let us see this problem. In this problem, arrow indicates the front view of an object or yellow portion indicates the front view of an object. Again, green portion represents the top view of an object and pink portion represents the right hand side view of an object. First of all, calculate the length. How to calculate the length? This semicircle radius is 30 mm. Again, center to center distance is given 60 mm and semicircle radius is 70. So, length is calculated as 30 plus 60 plus 17 is equal to 107 mm. Again, height is given. Directly, the radius of semicircle is height of given object. The height is equal to 30 mm and width of the object is 50 mm is given. So first of all, draw a box of given size. In front view, draw a box of size length which is equal to 107 and height is equal to 30 mm. Draw a given of box of size in front view. Again, in top view, width is given. Width is 50 mm and length is 107 mm. Draw given box in top view. After that, take the projection of points and draw a box of size 50 mm by 30 mm in right hand side view. Now, when you are looking from each direction, here you will get semicircle of radius 30 mm by taking center extreme left from 30 mm. So first of all, we want to draw this portion. So from this point, take a distance of size 30 mm and draw semicircle. By taking the center, you have to leave some distance of size 15 mm from both the sides and height is 10 mm. Suppose I want to draw a rib. Rib projection is given from this point to this point is 20 mm. Look at the position of the rib and join the rib tangent to the circle. This is the important point in this problem. When you want to draw a rib, at a time, draw tangent to the point. And here you will get height of size 16 mm and complete the parts. One more point, here you will get the dotted lines from center lines 8 mm from both. First of all, draw a center of size 17 mm. Now, while drawing the sectional lines, this portion is removed. This portion not seen in sectional view. So these lines are visible. Now set 45 degree. In this problem, take a angle which is equal to 45 degree. Set the angles. This represents the angle 45 degree and draw hatching lines. So this is sectional front view of an object. Now move on next part, that is top view of an objects. Transfer all the points after transferring all the projectors. First of all, draw a cutting plane line along the width when you are looking from top. Green color indicates top view of an object. So in this part you will get circle of diameter 16 mm and semicircle of radius 17 mm. First of all, we want to draw these parts. Now draw a semicircle of radius 17 mm and circle of diameter 16 mm. Extend these parts up to these parts which intersect the semicircle portion. Now another parts, draw a rib of size 10 mm. So first of all, transfer the front view portions of a rib to the top view portions. So already you take the projections, transfer the rib projection of size 10 mm. Draw other parts of a rib. Now this point represents the rectangle. And inside that you will get hidden lines. So this becomes top view of an object. While drawing the right hand side view of an object, transfer all the projectors from front view to side view and top view to side view of an object. This point represents the rib portion. Transfer all the points. Now when you are looking from right hand, pink color indicates the right hand side. First of all, you will get rectangle of size 34 by 16. So this is your right hand side weapon objects. In that one, this portion represents the rib, this portion represents the rectangle, and outer parts represents the semicircular cylinder, and inside that there is a 10 dotted lines. After that, give the dimension. Thank you.